How to transfer money from GCash to PayPal. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now, if we navigate through our GCash account right here or our application, and if we click on the transfer money to bank option, unfortunately, there is no PayPal option. Now, as of the moment, there's no real way on how you can go ahead and transfer your GCash money to your PayPal account. But in this video, I'll show you an alternative in order to do so. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to get yourself a GCash debit card, physical card. From there, we can basically use this card and link it with our PayPal account right here. And so to do that, you simply want to click on the link a card button. Right after, it will then take us to this page. So you just have to enter the physical card number, expiration, and CVV. And so if we go ahead and use our PayPal account in order to purchase things, we can go ahead and basically use the credits or our money from our GCash account while using our PayPal account. And so, unfortunately, that is the only way on how you can go ahead and link both of your accounts in order to use your GCash funds. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.